Hello friends, this is Vijay, DevOps engineer. Welcome to the channel. Uh, Today I have selected a topic, Ansible. Actually in market you will find lot of continuous deployment tool like Chef, Puppet and so many paid tools also. But Ansible is a simple open source tool. So let's go ahead with the introduction of the Ansible. What is Ansible? Ansible is a simple open source IT engine which automates application deployment, intra-service orchestration, cloud provisioning, and many other IT tools. Ansible is easy to deploy because it does not use any agents or custom security infrastructure. Ansible uses Playbook to describe automation jobs, and Playbook uses very simple language, which is a YAML language. It is a human readable data serialization language and is commonly used for the configuration files, which is very easy for humans to understand, read, and write. Hence, the advantage is that the IT infrastructure support guys can read and understand the playbook and debug if needed. The biggest advantage of Ansible is completely agentless, which means Ansible works by connecting your nodes through SSH by default. If you want any other method for connection like Kerberos, Ansible gives that option, but by default it uses the SSH method. So let's go ahead. After connecting to your nodes, Ansible pushes small programs called as Ansible modules. Ansible run that modules on your node and removes them when finished. Ansible manages your inventory in simple text files. Ansible uses the host file where one can group the host and can control the action on a specific groups in the playbook. Another important thing, Ansible does not add or use any database. It does not require any daemons to start or keep it running. While managing remote machines, Ansible does not leave any software installed or running on them. Hence, there is no question of how to upgrade it when moving to a new version. It will be always one Ansible server where you have to update your Ansible version. What are the advantages of Ansible? Ansible is free to use by everyone. Ansible is very consistent and lightweight, and no constraint regarding the operating system or underlying hardware are present. It is very secure due to its agentless capabilities and open SSH security features. Ansible does not need any special system administrator skills to install and use it. Ansible has a smooth learning curve determined by the comprehensive documentation, easy to learn and easy to configure. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video.